Can you understand what I'm saying, sir?
I am hearing you.
Nigeria is not going to break.
Yes.
Is Nigeria bigger than countries that have gone their separate ways?
All right. All right. All right. Every Nigerian has culture and tradition. It is Yoruba people that bring us together. Before they discover Nigeria or us, there was Oyo Empire governed by the Yoruba. There was Songhai. There was this Efik, this Calabar people. You hear me? That was the Benin Empire. All that, they combine them together because they want to rule us. If we understand ourselves, they have put us together since 1914. We can break. Not that we cannot break. We can break. But before we break, there are sacrifice we must make. It is not by war. It is not by war. We must sit down and bring out what will make us to break, so for us to understand. But for now, we cannot break. Because the problem with us is economic problem, political problem, religious problem. Those are the three we are having. If you can solve those problems first, then if you want to go, we'll go.
Okay. Presently now, what is your advice to federal government holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader?
I don't know anything about Nnamdi Kanu.
But Nnamdi Kanu is saying that the people of the eastern region is under big, serious marginalization.
What of the Westerner?
But
under
the Yorubas have been ruling this country with the Northerners.
Why?
Okay.
Why? Look, there's something you must go and look into. If Nnamdi Kanu is acting in respect of the Igbos, did he know his people well? Nnamdi Kanu should go back to history. The Igbos, we were together before the Civil War.
That was amalgamation.
Wait.
Okay.
We and Igbos, we were together. Nnamdi Azikiwe was made the president of this country in 1960. He's an Igbo man now. Abi? But when the riot came, they decided to succeed, to move away. Move away for what? It is selfishness that they want to move away with. There was a treaty that says Nigeria can divide after 30 years. Did you hear about that? But there must be a condition that make us. The Igbo doesn't satisfy that. Igbos think the Efik, the Ijos will follow them. Because if they move away from Nigeria, they will carry the Ijos and the Efik along with them, which cannot be possible. Now, who divided Nigeria into 6 regions, geographical regions? Not Gowan. It was Abacha.
Abacha.
Now, the 6 geographical region has made Nigeria to see well. The Efik knows their region. The Ijos know their region. That's why they are fighting for Ijo nation. The Efik knows their region. The Igbo knows their region. The Yorubas know them. What else? So Hausa know. Hausa believe they are the northerner. But what of the middle belt? The Tifi? What of the Kanuri? Are they not from the north? It is not only the Fulani, it's not only the Hausa that hold the north. It is about 4, even Joe.
But the amalgamation was Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa. Why didn't they factor Ijo Efik into it? Why are we still hearing Efik and Ijo? Why? But it was amalgamation was three.
Listen, listen. Oyinbo no know anything minority. Oyinbo know majority. The majority is what they follow. You hear me? Efik are minority. Ijo are minority. If you come to the southwest, in the western region, their warriors are minority. They don't value them. But if you come to Lagos, Awori knows what their level. You hear me? So that is what is happening. Igbo no know minority, they know majority. That is it.
Okay, sir, talking about 2027, do you see the North threatening Tinubu over election centered on the tax reform, as they claim that if Tinubu does not implement it, Nigeria will break, or he will not be able to make his second term as the president of Nigeria?
That is a threat.
Okay.
That is a threat. If the northern elites believe they can threaten Tinubu, they have failed. They have failed. They are average northerner. They are not rich, they are not poor. You hear me? They understand what is going on. Let Tinubu go, or the northerner go to anywhere. Tinubu is going second term. He will not go third term. I know that. But he's going second term. Because the constitution give him the right to go. And he will spend our money to go second term. That is it.
Okay, will you go second term without support of other from the North, who they believe they are the one that made him the president today? They contributed majorly, massively.
The Northerner doesn't make Tinubu to be the president. No. The Northerner doesn't make Tinubu to be the president. Nigeria is 36 states. Tinubu has 12 states. Obi have 12 states. Atiku have 12 states. Oh yeah. Is it the Northerner? Out of the 36, Tinubu have 12 states. Obi have 12 states. Atiku has 12 states. Is it the Northerner that make Tinubu to be president?
But that is the claim there.
They will claim that.
And Tinubu said, I might likely suspend the bill or push it. Okay.
Tinubu, Yoruba, Ondo Yoruba fún wọn ni. Hey, me ní sọ̀rọ̀ jù yẹn lọ. I won't talk more than that.
Okay, so what's your advice finally to Nigerians at this point in time? Should we keep faith alive?
Yes,
should we hope on this government?
Yes.
You know,
this is not the first time we are having problems. We have been having problems a long time. If not so, a song will not come which says, ìlú le o, kò sówó lóde, obìnrin kígbe, ọkùnrin kígbe, kálukú ló ń kígbe owó. That song was in the 50s. Tinubu was just a song under 20 then. You never reached 20.
So you describe Obi as a simple man.
Yes.
Why did you say Obi is a simple man?
That is what I know in him. That is what I know in him. Obi is not a rugged man. Tinubu is rugged. Obi is a politician. Buhari is a military man. He's a soldier. He's not a rugged politician. Obi is a politician, but not rugged. But Tinubu is a politician and rugged.
So what Nigeria need now is rugged.
Rugged! Yes. Someone that can push us.
So he's more rugged than Jonathan.
Who's Jonathan in politics? Is it not Obasanjo that brought him up? who can say he brought Tinubu up? Let that person come up.
Okay, lastly, sir, why do you think that Igbo has not been able to become the president of this country?
Yes, it is unfortunate. Igbo is supposed to have become a president, and that was, as I believe, the intention of Obasanjo to bring Jonathan in, so that since after the Civil War, an Igbo man has never got to that level. It is Obasanjo that got him. And that is a Yoruba man for you. You Igbo that say Obasanjo is something or Yoruba is something, you hear me? Hausa will never allow that. But Obasanjo want to bring in, so that in future, once someone from the south has got to that place, then you can be able to fight and get to it. Which I know, if Tinubu is to lead the country, River Niger and Benue has divided the country into into three. Naturally, River Niger and Benue, the western, the eastern, and the northern. You hear me? So the next president, I believe, must be an Igbo man from the east.
God bless you, sir. How do you?
No.
For justice, fair play.
The next, I don't say 2027. Yoruba will complete. After Yoruba is Igbo.
What if they not resist?
Let them resist.
Okay.
Let them resist. An Igbo man must be there. And that is what I believe. I don't say Tinubu believe that. I'm not talking on behalf of Tinubu. I'm talking on behalf of myself.
So lastly, people are asking Bola Ahmed Tinubu to tamper justice with mercy and releasing Nnamdi Kanu the way he released Sunday Igboho and Sowore. What do you want to tell Tinubu on that regard?
I don't need to advise Tinubu.
Okay.
He is more experienced than me, so I cannot advise him.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.